So you've probably been in a meeting where you've been talking for 1 or 2 hours with a group of people. The meeting ends, you all look at each other, nothing happens. This happens a lot. It happened to me a lot. And I just was becoming sick with how much time was wasted. Until one day I got a new boss who came in and started doing this thing at the end of meetings, which just changed the game completely. And it's this: who, what, when. So what he'd do at the end of the meeting, he'd stand up, go over to the nearest whiteboard and write 3 columns, who, what, when. So all the actions that had been captured in the meeting, he'd write in the what column in the middle. And then he would ask an open question to the group: who is going to do the first action, such as chase up the client? And someone will then offer themselves, say, yep, I'll do that. And then he'd ask, well, when are you going to do that by? And he'd go through each of the items in the what category until everyone had been assigned an action with a deadline to do it. Now, why this works so well is that when we publicly commit to doing something and when it has a deadline, we're just far more likely to make it happen. And it actually gives a lot of structure and accountability rather than a list of actions being emailed out afterwards where no one has to stand up and take ownership of any of those actions. So this is a really short, powerful tactic that will literally change the game of your meetings and actually make things happen.